Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, gold is back in action. Many things have happened since yesterday. So let's get started. So at first, let's look at the market sentiment. Gold approaches all-time high on Fed rate cut bets. Gold climbed to around 2430 an ounce on Tuesday, marching towards new all-time highs as the latest remarks from Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell reinforced expectations that the central bank will start cutting interest rates soon, which is bullish for gold. Gold prices steady as US rate cut optimism supports. Gold prices were steady on Tuesday, buoyed by bets that the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates this year. Why focus shifted to US economy data due later in the day for further monetary policy clues. Okay, it is talking about the retail sales coming up during the US session. So, my dear friends, gold will be showing actions again during the US session. So, please be careful. If you're a new trader, beginner, okay, if you do not have much capital right now, okay, market will give you plenty of opportunities to trade, okay, in normal time. Okay, no need to gamble with your hard-earned money. My dear friends, we are traders, not gamblers. Don't forget. Okay. So the market sentiment is bullish for gold. So, and we can see also on the chart that gold is bullish. So if you are holding any buy position on the chart of gold, then yes, you can expect further upside. At least gold should hit 2450. Okay, and we have been discussing about the strong resistance around 2450 for the last few days, but right now it seems that 2450 may not be able to hold the market. To be honest, I was expecting a trend reversal kind of a scenario from 2450, but in this market situation we can clearly see that gold is really bullish and there is a high chance that gold will break 2450 at one point. Okay. After all, market sentiment is above all. When fundamentals dominate, technicals do not work. Okay, that is a bitter reality, and we need to accept it. But we are retail traders. We do not have any control over fundamentals. So, okay, we need to know when to go with the fundamentals and when to go with the technicals, or how to use fundamentals in our technical analysis. Okay. So let's discuss the trading opportunities one by one. And my dear friends, if you're looking for a reliable Forex broker, then you can go to my website. You will get an article and you will understand how to choose a good Forex broker, because Forex broker plays a very important role in our trading journey. And if you're looking for a reliable option, okay, you will find many options here. You can choose any one of them. Okay, but traders from India, okay, you need to be careful because most of you prefer to go for net banking or bank transfer, and it's a little gray area that I'll be discussing at the end of the video. Okay, so if you're looking for a good Forex broker, reliable one, then the link in the description will take you to this page. Okay. So right now market is trading around 2428. This is the current market price. And as I've already said, if you're holding a buy, you can be on the buy because the market is fundamentally bullish. Okay. So if market drops, okay, if market drops, then the best level to go for buy right now is around 24842, sorry, 23842, 2380. Okay, this is the best level on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. 2384, 2380. You must be wondering why. Then here we are using FIBO. Okay, we are using FIBO and we have found that we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level. But along with that, we can also see that the previous resistance is also resistance is working as support. Along with that, you can see, my dear friend, we also have the 200 moving average. So if we combine all the factors, if market drops also, market is full of surprises, isn't it? So if gold surprises everyone with heavy selling pressure, then as a swing trader, position trader, day trader, okay, you can definitely look for a buy at support or buy at dip. Okay, and we can look for buy at 238480 area, because in this market situation, obviously buy at dip or buy at support is the best trading strategy. But the problem with the 238084 level is that, okay, it is far away from the current market price. So where is the immediate level of, you must be wondering. Then we also have immediate support around 2400 to 2405. You can see the same FIBO level. Okay, we have the FIBO 0.236 around the area. 0.23, yeah, and you can see the previous support is also present here along with the 50 moving average also coming up. So if market drops and if the market is not very volatile, especially before the US session, if you see the market is coming down, market is falling, okay, then you can definitely expect a support around this area. After news, okay, if market is very volatile, follow the trend of the market, do not go with levels. As I said, okay, you need to know when to go with fundamentals and technicals. Okay, so when the market is not under the dominance of news, 2400, 2405 can still act as a support for the market. Okay, yesterday also we got a nice bounce, good bounce from 240000 area. Precisely, it bounced from 2401. I entered at 2402.3, but still, okay, we got a nice move. So this is also a good support on the chart of gold. So on the chart of gold, we have two reliable supports, 2400, 2405, and then 238084 area. On the chart of gold, my dear friends, we also have some minor levels. But you need to keep in mind that these levels are not very strong, like 238085 or 2400. These are minor levels. And when there will be strong selling pressure, these levels will not work. Okay, we have derived these minor levels with the help of Fibonacci, because when market dropped yesterday, it took support around the Fibo 38.2. So before the US session, if market drops, we can look for first support around 2415 and second support around 2410. As I said, these are minor levels. It means that you can expect a bounce of 20-30 pips, max to max 40 pips, and you need to be happy. That's it. But if market drops after US session, after news, obviously these will not work, because all the charts have many levels, but some are good levels, some are not very strong levels. These are minor levels, weak levels that will only work when the volatility volume is low in the market. So considering the present trend of the market, considering the ongoing market sentiment, the best thing is to look for support or buy at dip right now. But if market doesn't come for retracement, then what can we do? That is a very risky thing right now, because taking a sell at previous swing high is very risky. In sideways market, obviously buy at support, sell at resistance is the best trading strategy. But here, sell at resistance, okay, not a very wise decision. Okay, so personally I will not suggest it. But during the day, okay, if you see market is reversing, that's your personal choice. If you want to go for a sell, you can go for a sell. But by the US session, if we see the market is extremely bullish, market has crossed 2420. Okay, market has crossed 2420, then we can look for a buy above it. Sorry, 24, not 2420, 2440. Okay, levels are changing so fast, my head is spinning. So by the US session, market is very volatile. If you see the market is going up, then you can look for a buy above 2440. Okay, but be careful around 2450. 2450 may not be a complete trend reversal level, but at least market will face some resistance around this area. So the two best supports on the chart of gold are around 238084 area and 2400 area. Okay, but during the day, if market comes down with low volume, we can also look for support around 2410, 2415. If market goes up during the US session, we can look for a risky buy above 2440. Be careful around 2450. Okay, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Okay, so the analysis of gold is over. Now let's talk about this Forex broker of India. Okay, yeah, you must be knowing that things are critical, okay, when it comes to India. Okay, why? Because, okay, because of FEMA, okay, RBI says that Forex trading is not legal in India, because of which, okay, we need to face, okay, a lot of issues. Okay, here, okay, the problem right now is that, okay, the forex brokers, okay, the forex brokers, okay, that provide local deposit and withdrawal methods face regular issues. Why they face regular issues? Probably you have also seen that whenever we ask for a withdrawal, we ask for a payout, the payout doesn't come to us, okay, and on the name of the broker, okay, because the brokers use third party merchants, okay. And obviously RBI knows about this, so RBI or ED, okay, Enforcement Directorate is always okay looking for these accounts out how to catch these guys, because of which most of the time, not most of the time, okay, sometimes, okay, the bank account of OctaFX Exness, okay, get freezes, because of which they are unable to provide payout on time, okay. And right now, okay, you can see Vantage, okay, is also a very reputed broker internationally. They are also providing this service in India. They are also providing local deposit and withdrawal to Indian clients. But recently, since yesterday actually, okay, their deposit, okay, their deposit partner, the local merchant, is having some issues. Okay, so uh, whether, okay, you have signed your account under me or not, okay, if you are planning to deposit on Vantage and if you see a name Krishna Enterprise, then please avoid it. Anyways, okay, uh, OctaFX, okay, let's consider the example OctaFX. Okay, OctaFX was the pioneer, okay, was the pioneer broker in India, and I think OctaFX plays a huge role in making Forex popular in India. Okay, but the problem is that OctaFX, okay, has faced a lot of bad reviews, okay, bad comments from clients because they are unable to provide withdrawal on time. Okay, why does it happen? Okay, because of the method, because most of the bank accounts, okay, gets freeze, okay, because of which they are unable to provide withdrawal payout in Indian currency to Indian clients. But if you check the reputation of OctaFX, if you check the performance of OctaFX internationally, then obviously OctaFX is doing a good job. I'm not saying that OctaFX is a very good broker. Personally, I do not like OctaFX, okay, but is OctaFX a very bad broker? Obviously, no. OctaFX is not a bad broker. Okay, they are giving good service, fast withdrawal to international clients. But when it comes to India, things change. So that's why in the video, okay, that I uploaded around 2 3 weeks ago regarding forex brokers, okay, I clearly mentioned that if you are looking for a normal payout, normal withdrawal with peace of mind, then you need to avoid deposit and withdrawal through net banking. Okay. At one point, you will have to settle with USDT. Okay, USDT. This is the best method. I'm not saying that okay, go and open your account in DMGM. Okay, if you want, you can obviously. Okay, but the thing is that okay, if you process your deposit in USDT, then you'll also get your payout in USDT. Okay, that will bring a peace of mind to you, because rest of the methods like direct deposit on the account of the forex broker, deposit through debit card, credit card, okay, it's not advisable at all. So that's all.